I hate this. Good morning. It is sometime in the morning and we're moving, baby. We're moving. Not these guys. They're not moving at all. They're just sleeping. But we are finally moving this week, which is very exciting. It's the final countdown because I've got the moving truck booked for this weekend and I've only got a few days to really pack up this flat. I wanted to leave it till the very last minute to do so because we're still living here and I just don't want to be living out of boxes for longer than I need to. I did about a week or two ago start packing a few boxes and then realize that they are completely in the way and now I can't access any stuff, so that's why. This weekend was a long weekend and we packed up Haley's apartment. It took us 3 days, which is a lot longer than we thought it was going to take, but Haley's been living here for a very, very long time and she's just accumulated things that she really wanted to go through and just not have to bring to the new apartment. Whereas for me, I've already done all of my decluttering. I know that everything in this apartment is something I've pretty much used in the last 12 months, and if I didn't want to use it, it's gone to the Goodwill. If you haven't seen that video, it's already up on my channel. For today's plan, I'm gonna use this little area over here where I've started packing boxes weeks ago, and I'm gonna disassemble this table and just assemble a few more boxes, fill them and stick them in the corner over here so they're out of the way of the general living space. I think I could get maybe like a third to a half of this room packed up today, which would be really nice. So let's get into it. Let's do these. No. Okay, we'll do it here. Very cute, but I need to now put the stuff in front of the window. Sorry, baby. Excuse me. Okay, that's what the setup's looking like. I managed to get a lot of stuff packed away today, like mainly clothes and home decor. I tried to organize these boxes with labels. It didn't last very long, but they looked cute on the first few boxes that I did end up doing. By the way, these are the moving boxes that people use in Korea. I'd ordered a few online and then I realized so many people throw them into the recycling, so I took quite a few of them to reuse and clean them up, and that worked perfectly well. Slightly more sustainable. Speaking of sustainability, this is what would make my nan very proud right now. She would always keep bubble wrap to use in instances like this, and before I was moving I decided I'm gonna keep all of my bubble wrap, and I was able to bubble wrap literally all of my home decor using it, so that was great. Guys, no. No, I know! It's the FedEx guy. It's the FedEx guy. Chill. 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 Chill out, Bing. Hey. Okay, here's where we're at. Those are all of our boxes full of stuff. Some's mine, some's Haley's. Almost everything is packed except for you guys. You're next. You're tomorrow. I managed to get pretty much everything I wanted to pack today, and then I had to make a quick trip to the bank to pay my housing deposit for the new place. But this is how I left the apartment at the end of the day. It's looking pretty horrific, but I got everything packed that I wanted to. Bingy, show me Bing. Bing, are you ready to go? Let's make this end quickly. Let's go. Kinda, how happy are you? You got everything, right? The next day, Haley and I took the dogs over to her old apartment so that we could just get them out of the way so I could move my stuff. We stayed there for a few nights, but came back in the evening and tidied everything up ready for the movers the next day. We also found more of those recycling boxes and a ton of stuff at my apartment complex. They were just throwing out. Look how nice these chairs are. I don't have a huge amount of footage from the day that the guy came with the removals van because it was such a busy day, but this was all the stuff he took. We put it on these trolleys and took it downstairs, packed up his van and headed over to the new place. I will show you the unpacking in the next video, but for now we're still at my old place. Good morning. What we're not going to do today is say anything about my silly hairstyle because I could not locate the hairdryer. And there's like a big bump in the back of my head now because I had to sleep on it wet. So I also can't find my contact lenses. And the outfit is not. Anyway, today I'm going to go back to my old place and see if I can pack up some stuff and undo some of my rental hacks. So it's going to be an interesting day because it's meant to be like snowing or raining or something. So I just want to get this over and done with. So I will see you at the old place. Also need to figure out how much stuff I have left there. So it's going to be fun. That's so bad. Oh no. There's so much stuff. That's obviously not coming, but like my poor plant is so unhappy. It's raining. Not the dust bunnies. Okay, let's see if I can reset the door to its original blue color. I don't have like a scraper with me, so I'm just gonna have to hope for the best with this vinyl contact paper. That looks like a good place to start. Oh yeah. Oh, well. Let me do the sides. Those will be easy. Did it record? Who knows, but we're halfway through. Halfway is a little optimistic, but we've started on the door. It's my battery that keeps dying. Don't worry, you didn't miss anything, just a couple of curse words and some ripped contact paper. This is not coming off in full sheets. I needed to take a break from the door because it was driving me crazy, so I ended up vacuuming all of these dust bunnies from where the couch was and then packing up this suitcase with stuff that I could easily just transport back. There were so many little things that I'd forgotten to pack, which is always the way, but there we go. Good thing I was coming back a couple of times to collect them. Other than this, my focus today was cleaning, so I was going to clean the bathroom and get as much of that done as possible. I'm pretty happy with how the bathroom turned out. I did also wash these floors, but I don't have that footage. This was just me vacuuming before washing them. And then it was time to take off all of the sticky hooks that I'd put on the walls. I'm using sticker remover to do this and just get rid of all the last little bits of gunky residue to make sure I get 100% of my deposit back. Those ones I had up to hold towels, and there was one in this corner which was really difficult to get off, which was a hairdryer hook. But here we are. Here's some very wobbly footage of how the bathroom turned out. Not perfect, but clean enough, seeing as my apartment complex is going to clean it and charge me for it anyway. But there we go. My last project for this day was to take out the blind that I installed in the wardrobe that stopped working after a couple of months anyway. Thanks, IKEA. This is pretty easy, but what wasn't easy was the task I had next, which was to take off the foam tape that was up in my bedroom. I'd put up like some kind of tapestry to cover this hole, and I used foam tape, which was stupid. Never again. Never again. I hate this. Don't mind the mess. I'm going back to my old apartment again today because everything's just taking so much longer than you think it's gonna take. It's also snowing. There's a thick layer of snow on the ground, so that is so great. That's really good. I do think I can get a lot done today though, so yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm using the very last crumb of my energy right now, so bear with me. Hey, I'm back again. I'm just doing a load of laundry because I don't really want to take dirty clothes and stuff them into a bag and take them to the new house, which is still messy and horrendous as it is. There's one less thing I have to do if I do it now. Today I'm going to work on a couple of different things. I'm really behind schedule because I had to help Haley with some of her stuff. She's moving out tomorrow. She had a couple of last minute things she needed to do, so I didn't get here until it's 5 now. I was meant to meet my friend Chantel later for a cup of coffee or dinner, but I have wrangled her into coming here and just sitting with me while I fill the holes in the wall so that we can chat. I think I'm gonna start by actually filling some of these holes and then maybe take apart the bed frame. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I'm not taking the bed frame with me because I'm actually gonna take Chantel's bed frame. She's offered me hers. She's getting a new one, and she's also getting rid of a couple of other furniture pieces, and because our new place is so massive and has 0 storage, I said yes, because her bed frame has storage and her cabinet that she's giving us is all storage. So thank you, Chantel. It's going to be so nice to be able to put stuff away. That's one of the things that's really stressing me out in the new house. Not only do we not have time to unpack, but we just don't have anywhere to put anything. So yeah, let me do a couple of hours here and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us, and then I'm here all weekend to finish this up. I don't know if you can see this because it's so dark in here. These are little pins that are in the wall, and I'm just gonna gently take them out. And I'm gonna fill the holes. I tried to make sure that they were really small little pins, so hopefully this will go undetected. There we go. I would not be able to tell that was there. Honestly, this vacuuming footage is hard to watch because why am I using such a small attachment, and why is it taking me so long, and why am I missing some of the big fluffies, and I'm just doing it in the wrong order. But I think I was losing the will at this point, so making the video aesthetic was not really at the forefront of my mind. But I wanted to show you that I was getting rid of all the foam tape that was left on the floor. Still hadn't finished at this point getting rid of that, but we do by the end of this video. Anyway, this is what I was up to at the end of this day.
Do you need any help?
I'm okay, thank you. I'm struggling with this.
Sucks.
It does suck, but we're nearly there. You can take that little bit downstairs if you want. Or these little bits. That'd be great.
That'd be great.
Love you.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Have you seen your socks? I still love you though.
Do you want to know what I'm doing?
What are you doing?
I'm getting rid of this stupid foam tape. I'm getting rid of the top layer first, and then I'm using the steamer to loosen the bottom layer.
What a fun Sunday.
I know. Oh, but so easy.
I get a close up.
Cut. Cut.
Oh, we're moving. We're finished. We're finished.
I'm over it. I'm done.
We're finished. So if anyone else wants to come and grab some of this stuff, because we're finished. We're all done.
We will be when we take the bed downstairs.
Okay. The things you do for the people you love. Yeah. But who wouldn't love her?
I did it. I did it. It's done.
I did it.
Yes. Never using foam tape again. Okay, I'm done for the day. I just have the bed to take out tomorrow. I have to put a sticker on it and they'll collect it. And then these little things right here, I'm going to bubble wrap them and bring them tomorrow. So I'm just gonna come a little early, get that done, and say goodbye. All packed up. This feels very weird.